Friends, welcome to the first England T20 blast between Essex vs Middlesex. Before knowing the preview of this video, please go to the Telegram channel and type target for Grand League. You will get my Telegram channel. So please subscribe my Telegram channel so that if there is any change in the lineup, so that I will give you the stats in my Telegram channel and I will give you the teams in my Telegram channel. Now we will see the preview of this match. So listen carefully. I will explain you everything in briefly. So listen carefully. I will complete this video in the short time only. And when you will be county ground and pitch report, the average first innings T20 score at this stadium is 179 runs, which suggests that this is going to be a real good batting wicket. And probable 11 for both sides: Essex, Varun Chopra, Cameron Delport, Tom Westley, Ryan Tan, Dodgecott, D. Lawrence, A. Weather, Peel Salter, S. Harmer, J. Potter, S. Snatter, or Sam Cook. These are the playing 11 of this team. And coming to the Midex playing 11: Max Holden and Gubbins as Iskinja, Emma Anderson, D. Lincoln, J. Simpson, J. Harris, L. Holman, T. Hallam, and Shouter as Finn. These are the playing 11 of these both teams. Now we will know the stats of the each and every player, and I will tell you the combinations also. Please listen carefully. Varun Chopra is the opener batsman who has a very good experience, and he's a very attacking player, and his stats are 109 matches, 2,809 runs. And Cameron Delport is also another attacking player who can open along with Varun Chopra, and his stats are 236 matches, 5,556 runs and 10 wickets. There is a less chance of the bowling also. So T. Westley is the one-down batsman, 78 matches, 1,952 runs, 7 wickets. R. 10 Doscott, 22 down batsman, 24 matches, 1,213 runs, 14 wickets. D. Lawrence, 51 matches, 1,086 runs and 17 wickets. A. Whether he can come to 4 down or he can open, so we don't know confirmly. So his stats are 113 matches, 1,392 runs. P. Salter is the fifth down batsman, 38 matches, 314 runs and 21 wickets. S. Armour, 6 down batsman, 97 matches, 666 runs, 72 wickets. J. Potter, 19 matches, 17 wickets. M. Kuhn, 57 matches, 60 wickets. S. Cook, 8 matches, 4 wickets. And there is a chance of playing as S. Cook or Snatter. And S. Snatter is stats of 19 matches, 18 wickets. Stats of mid players are M. Holden, 7 matches, 199 runs, and he is a very good attacking player who can score very huge runs. So, and Gubbins, 32 matches, 404 runs, and he is a very average player. As Iskinje, 29 matches, 712 runs, and he is a one-down batsman. M. Anderson, two down batsman, 1 match, 0 runs, and he is the under 19 emerging player. And D. Lincoln also three down batsman, 3 matches, 38 runs. J. Simpson, 4 down batsman, 108 matches, 1,759 runs. J. Harris, 5 down batsman, 53 matches, 47 wickets. Hal Holman is also another under 19 emergency player only. I didn't get his stats. T. Hallam, 7 down batsman and 33 matches, 42 wickets, very good bowler. And Shouter also another good bowler, 53 matches, 46 wickets. As Finn also 9 down batsman, 26 matches, 32 wickets. And I saw previous scores also. So head-to-head matches, some important players by seeing previous scores. Varun Chopra, who has a very good record by Midex, because his scores are previous 2 years he scores as 58 runs and 45 runs. He has a good record in opponent team. And D. Lawrence has also have a good record. And Anshouter, who has picked 4 wickets in one match, so he is also another important player. T. Hallam, S. Harmer, J. Simpson, and S. Finn. These are the very important in the head-to-head matches. These are the players who perform very well in head-to-head matches. And coming to the captain and vice captain choice also, before telling the captain and vice captain choice, I want to discuss you some important points. So please listen carefully. Varun Chopra and Delport, these are the two opening attacking players. So there are the high chances of Delport can out in the earlier overs only. So try to remember that Chopra is the very important player and he has a very experienced player. So there is a less chances he can get earlier in the out, but high chances are there in Cameron Delport. And T. Wesley, 10 Dosicott and Lawrence. These are the three important players who are in the middle order batsmen who can score huge runs. So if the wicket goes earlier, so that the middle order can play very crucial role. And try to remember these combinations only. try to go with the combination of T10 Dosicott and D Lawrence. These are the two important players who can score huge runs, and T Wesley also you can go with this. These are the middle order batsmen who with the top order will face. So these are the combinations which I said. And coming to the bowling side also, S. Harmer and Jay Potter, who has a very good record also in the bowling side. And S. Harmer is the spinner and he is the captain also. So he has a good responsibility also. So he can play a crucial role. And coming to the stats and coming to the combinations, I will tell you, Ham Holden is another young player. As I said, he's a very attacking player. He's a very important player. You can go with them. We can score at least 30 to 35 runs in the power play only. And coming to the Iskinjai also is also as another very experienced player who can score very well. And coming to the Jay Simpson, who has a good record on the Essex team, and he can score huge runs. And this coming to this mid mid players, this is seeing like a very weak team because they have under 19 emergency players. They don't have any experienced player. There are some only experienced players who are and Gubbins are the experienced player. J. Simpson and L. Harris, T. Hallam and Shouter Espin. These are the very important experienced players who has a good record. So try to go with what I said in these combinations only. And coming to the captain vice captain choices also, at 10 Doshikot he can bat very well, but I don't know he will bowl or not because in the previous 2 years he didn't bowl single over in the head-to-head matches or he didn't bowl. So it's our choice only. D. Lawrence, as I said, if the wickets got very, he can score very well and he can bowl 4 hours compulsory. So you can go with D. Lawrence, V. Chopra, S. Harmer, M. Holland, Cameron Delport. These are the captain and vice captain choices. Hope you understand this video and hope you get one good analysis, good stats also. And if you like this video, please subscribe my telegram channel and youtube channel. My telegram channel will be in the description, so please join my telegram channel. Thank you friends.